This conservatory had been patched up over the years, but now it was time to have a replacement. Yes, it took 2 days to take it down, say Thursday and Friday, and then Monday and Tuesday the following week put it up. They were very good and very professional, came round at the time that they said they would and asked all the right relevant questions. They gave me prices and yeah, it was a very good service. They answered all my questions. They thought that this was the best one to fit the space. They were very professional here. As long as I kept feeding them tea and coffee, they were happy. I organised a skip and they put all their stuff in there. Very clean and tidy. Yeah, no, they were very good. And my partner's very happy now. He doesn't have to keep patching the old one up. So I was happy with them from the word go. Very professional outfit, yes. I would recommend them, yeah. So hopefully other people will take my lead and have one of Conservatory Land's conservatories put up.